two times. Look at your phone, yeah. Twice.
Only Okamu two.
Yes.
Welcome, Your Excellency. I will just start on the now the idea is like houses, facilities like training, research, and then of course agro-tourism. So there's a whole lot that can occur here. But why this place was in the place was established in 2010, and then since then, through the shadow, we've been able to do the proper established the tax to clear the intention. But what they said. Okay. So what do you have here? What do you have?
So this place, the farm is divided into 4. Yes, left. Like sweet corn, carrots, ginger, the vegetables. We made these bricks here. When we dug the lakes, the clay from the lakes, we use them in making these bricks with hydroform machines and use them in building these houses. So these ones we call them Moringa flats, named after Moringa. So these are hospitality sections. We would proceed to see the agro production sections from main bay. This also. So we are approaching the from the this is the aquaculture department. That other side is the hatchery where we do the spawning for the fish, and then we spawn them, we bring them out here into these ponds. These are nursery ponds. After the nursery, we move them out to this area. This area is called the grow out section. We have series, 4 series. Each series, this is D. We have C, we have B, and we have A. Where we are now is the D. Each of the series has 12 ponds. So we multiply the 12 by the 4. We have 48 ponds of this size. And each one of these can have a holding capacity of 1,500 to 2,000 table-sized fishes. And then another section again, where we use them, to do our business also. So this water goes there, and from the eating pond, it goes to the rice field. We have rice field. Very large lakes, very large, but the shrubs, the trees has covered all of them. They are inside. There are 12 lakes. 2 of them are one. It's the same. The conference center is an amphitheater with open sides. And the leaves, when they get dry, those leaves, we gather them. We use them for mulching. And they have the capacity.
You will recall that basically the 3 projects we visited had to do with the agric value chain. And I believe that if we have to be self-sufficient in food production, and if we had to have adequate or enhanced food security, then we had to also support the local farmers and promote local food production. All these projects that we visited, when running, will of course provide for employment opportunities for the youth we have and for Nigerians as a whole. And I believe that if all of those projects are optimally running, it will also add to the economy of the nation. I think Yeah, I did observe, of course, also that a lot has to be done to make sure that that place looks habitable for those who are there. I think the contractors did promise they were going to complete that job in 2 months, and I want to assure you that we'll be there to see how far they have gone.
Of adding nitrogen to the soil. So we just send them back to the garden for them to pay back for their sin. Sponsored by High Trade. We trained 300 Ogoni women. See how the trade is today. It's a shadow of itself now. So we'll go this way. Yeah.
Come on, can you come on?
So this way, sometimes they come to this here, Nollywood, this place. Some of the movies and some of the videos, musical videos are shot here. Opposite us is the car park, stretching from here to the other end. So the industrial park 1. The equipment that is there and the parts are all there too, like the trailers. They are there. But I want to pick that one side, this way, sir. So this will be a 60 kVA generator from the Bible. That unit is SH unit control.
Permanent secretary. Okay. Fine.
No, we are going to.
Doc,
Are
we going to
show that people come here to buy organic with the pipes releasing the water to the vegetables at intervals.
and a good show.
I think the best bet is to suspend any development around this area. This job is completed. It doesn't really make sense.
No more deal.
How about these other ones? These ones are projecting. They've been like that. The house is especially. Okay. So, when are you delivering?
An average of 2 months. We've already connected the subtrain. So we're working with the